Alright, so this time constructing a line segment of length root 3 units using only a compass and a straight edge. So again, I will be given a line in the question. Alright, so I'm told that's 1 unit long, and I want to construct a line of root 3 units long. So similar technique to the root 2, a little bit different. So your starting point is that line, which is 1 unit long. I'm going to extend that out so that I have something which is 2 units long. So then I'm able to measure out an arc of 2 units long, which I'll use later. I'm going to draw my perpendicular line again. And this time what I'm going to do is from this point here, draw an arc of 2 units. Okay, so this bit here is going to be 1 unit. The hypotenuse is going to be 2 units this time. And then if I do my Pythagoras, let's say this is the unknown one then, 2 squared equals 1 squared plus x squared. 2 squared is 4 equals 1 plus x squared. Bring the 1 over, 4 minus 1 is 3 equals x squared. So root 3 is equal to x. Okay, so this, the vertical line here, the perpendicular line will be my root 3 this time. So what do I need to do here? Extend my line out again will be my first step. And extend it out, I would say, kind of, like, more than double the length, okay? Because you're going to want to measure this out again. So you want to make your line kind of more than twice as big. All right. So at this point, I would say just draw your perpendicular line up here. We'll worry about the arc of 2 units later. So draw your perpendicular line the same way. So point kind of on the original end of the line, draw an arc there and an arc there. Then where the arc and the line intersects, so at this point I'll probably make my arc just a little bit longer. Point here where they intersect and draw an arc up here. So you need to be above where that original line ends. And then same length of the arc as you've just done. Point here and draw that. Alright, so then just draw a nice long kind of perpendicular line up there. So about twice as long as the original line will do you. Alright, that should be just about sufficient. Alright, so now what I'm going to try and do is make this line here 2 units long. Alright, so what I want to do is point here, the end of the original line, and then pen at the start of the original line. So now my arc is 1 unit long. So you're going to just bring your pen right over the other side here and draw an arc there. Okay, the reason you do that is this is 1 unit long, so then by swinging the arc out here, this is also 1 unit long. So in total, this is 2 units long. So from here to here is 2 units long. So the reason I want that is if I stretch my compass right out from the starting point to where that line of root 2 starts, you can draw a full arc up there if you want, or you can just kind of start drawing it at that point. Okay, but maybe draw it from here. Alright, so that entire arc is 2 centimeters from this point. Okay, So that means this point here to here is 2 units long. So just join those up. Alright. And then that is 2 units long. This one here is 1 unit long. This is a right angle triangle. So we'll just call this side here X for the purposes of my kind of bit of Pythagoras. So h squared equals O squared plus A squared. So I'm looking at this right angle triangle here. So 2 is my hypotenuse. So 2 squared equals 1 squared plus x squared. 2 squared is 4 equals 1 plus x squared. Take away 1 from both sides. So 3 is equal to x squared. So square root of 3 is equal to x. Okay. So this line here is root 3 units long. Okay, you can have your little plan in there if you want, or you can just go straight into drawing the construction if you want, and that won't necessarily be there. But I would put in that bit of Pythagoras at the end just to show how you know it's root 3 units long.